Christina K, Dawn, Donna, Amanda, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. I want to give a special shout out to John and all his hee-haws in Scotland. We're going to start with the Grinny Granny Donkey. Hee-haw, John. There was a sweet donkey who lived on the heath. She was so funny with her false teeth. Hee-haw, but her teeth kept falling out. She was a clunky donkey. You see the donkey? There was a sweet donkey who lived on the heath. She was so funny with her false teeth. Hey-oh! But her teeth kept falling out. She loved to sip her favorite brew and dunk her biscuits in it and fall asleep in the afternoon sun. She was a donkey, dranky, clunky donkey. There was a sweet donkey who lived on the heath. She was so funny with her false teeth. Hey-oh! But her teeth kept falling out. She loved to sip her favorite brew, dunk her biscuits in it, fall asleep in the afternoon sun, then go for walks with her jewelry on. She was a clinky, clanky, zonky, dunky, dranky, clunky donkey. There was a sweet donkey who lived on the heath. She was so funny with her false teeth. Hey-oh! But her teeth kept falling out. She loved to sip her favorite brew, dunk her biscuits in it, fall asleep in the afternoon sun, go for walks with her jewelry on. And she always dressed smartly. She was a swanky, clinky, clanky, zonky, dunky, dranky, clunky donkey. There was a sweet donkey who lived on the heath. She was so funny with her false teeth. Hey-oh! But her teeth kept falling out. She loved to sip her favorite brew, dunk her biscuits in it, fall asleep in the afternoon sun, go for walks with her jewelry on grace, dress smartly, play her banjo to relax, but if she hadn't had a visit from her family, she would sometimes get grumpy and cranky. She was a granky, plunky, blinky, swanky, clinky, clanky, zonky, dunky, dranky, clunky donkey, Prancer. Aww. Look at her. Look at her. Huh? Hey, there was a sweet donkey who lived on the heath, Prancer. She was so funny with her false teeth. Hey-aw! But her teeth kept falling out. She loved to sip on her favorite brew, dunk her biscuits in it, fall asleep in the afternoon sun, go for walks with her jewelry on, dress smartly, and play her banjo to relax. But if she hadn't had a visit from her family, she would sometimes get grumpy and cranky. She was a granky, plunky, blinky, swanky, clinky, clanky, zonky, dunky, dranky, clunky donkey. There was a sweet donkey who lived on the heath. No, not a horse, a donkey. She was so funny with her false teeth. But when her son, Wonky, turned up with her cute granddaughter, Dinky, that granky granny donkey got so many cuddles and kisses that she couldn't get the smile off her face for weeks, Prancer. She got kisses like that, didn't she? She was a greeny, granny, plunky, plinky, swanky, clinky, clanky, zonky, dunky, dranky, clunky donkey. I think Prancer's happy to be back. Aren't you, boy? No, I'm reading to you, boy. Glory is sleeping. We're gonna let her rest, okay? You see that, Granny? Huh? Yeah, look, Tyler. There was a grinny granny donkey who lived on the heath, Jack. She smiled so much you could see her false teeth. Hey-oh! Time to go, boys. Time to go, but we don't have to go to bed. We don't have to go to bed.